Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, follow that prompter below by hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure you don't fall for any spam in the comment section. They all get there before I will, before this video is over. And so don't fall for anything. And then lastly, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Let's get right into it, good people. Listen, we're going to talk about Tesla's 3-for-1 stock split, what's going on. How I plan on playing it, and just the overall market and short-term investing versus long-term investing. This is going to be a good video, so please stay to the very end. Let's talk about Tesla. Tesla, as you know, did a 3-to-1 stock split, right? And a lot of people think that that makes Tesla worth more. It doesn't. Right? So if you look at the price of Tesla now, today, let's go right to it. If you look at the price of Tesla right now, it's $292 at the time of this recording. So $292 is the price of one share of Tesla, right? So what does that do? What it does is it makes it affordable for everybody to get. Now, if we were in a bear market, this would have caused Tesla to run up. But we're in a bull market. But because we're in a bear market, it's very lackluster. As a matter of fact, it's kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news. So there's generally a run up to and then a sell off. This time it was pretty flat with Tesla. So I didn't buy any, I didn't load up on Tesla leading into this. There were a lot of talking heads out there thought that that was going to happen. Not in a bear market. It just doesn't happen, right? It hasn't been happening this season. But here's what I do plan on doing. Tomorrow, the Jackson Hole meeting, right? Which is going on right now currently. But the Fed will be talking there tomorrow. And he may let on to what he's going to do in the September FOMC meeting. And a lot of people think he's going to be hawkish. And if he's hawkish, it will cause the market to come down. All right. It will have a negative pressure on the market. That is where I would start to pick up Tesla. That's where I plan on starting to pick up Tesla. Now, for those of you that's been following me, you know that I've been buying Tesla every week in my dollar cost average. Anything I say on any video, it does not stop the $5 a day. Anything on any video, that's separate. That we're going to do. I plan on doing it for the next 10 years. Okay. And so I encourage you to think about long-term investing, which we will get into here shortly. I'm going to play you some clips from a billionaire. As a matter of fact, let's get into it because he talks about Tesla and he talks about it from overall, just long term. Let's listen to this and then we are going to go from there. Let me go here.
But he should. I love Tesla. We've been investing in Tesla for 8 years now, since 2014. Made about 20 times their money. Made about $6 or $7 billion on a $380 million investment. I think we're going to make 3 to 5 times our money again over the next 10 years. I am so excited. The next 10 years, I think that Tesla is going to be the largest company in the world. And in the 10 years after that, I think it'll be challenged by SpaceX, which could become the largest company in the world. I was telling you about figs.
Obviously, another Elon Musk company, SpaceX. You have
SpaceX
investments
is another.
in both.
Yes. So we own about 1%.
Sorry about that, good people. So as you could see, this billionaire thinks that Tesla is going to triple from here. I also do too, especially after the price is a third of what it was. Okay. So it just allows more people. It's a mental thing. It doesn't make the company worth even anymore. It doesn't change anything about Tesla or what the stock is worth. It's just a mental thing now that the person that couldn't afford $900 can now afford $300. Okay. So that's all it is. It's a momentum play. So he also talks about long-term investing And I challenge you to listen to this video because it's going to help so many of you begin to understand, that are new to the market, begin to understand how to truly build generational wealth. Check this out.
Well, you know, I've started in business in 1970, and then 1982 began Baron Capital. And at the time, we had a small number of assets under management. That the Dow Jones was 800, and people were really upset about the market being, inflation, interest rates. That was when I started Baron Capital, 1982, 800 on the Dow Jones, now 32,000. But if you go back to World War I, in 1918, we had the Spanish flu. We like to call things Spanish flu, Chinese flu. We never blame someone else all the time. But there was inflation, and we ended a war. And then the stock market, then you had the Roaring '20s. And in 1945, you ended World War II. And the next 3 years, you had inflation, higher interest rates. Debt was higher than the size of the economy. And the stock market, and then we started the Marshall Plan, 1949 to 1955. The stock market tripled. Then you had 1982. Of course, that was following the Vietnam War. You had a lot of inflation, high interest rates, and what happened? The Dow Jones went from 800 to 32,000. So, do I tell you that the market is going to? So everyone is so short term. Everything is so short term. So Elon Musk says that the people who are most likely to be successful are the people who have long-termism, who think about things long-term, not now, and are optimistic. And then he says, and what you really need is people who have infinite time horizons, not tomorrow, not next quarter, infinite time horizons. So, he may not get to Mars, but he's certainly investing so he can, or people are planting trees, right, not necessarily because they're going to sit under them, but because other people will enjoy them.
So, understand that, people. Plant trees, not just for you, but so other people can enjoy them. For you and I, it's our children and our children's children. So he's a billionaire, Ron Barron. He's a billionaire. So he knows what he's talking about. And I 100% wholeheartedly agree with him. Tesla is going to triple your money. All you need is time, I believe. Tesla is going to quadruple your money. All you need is time. And so you guys that know, that are taking the Weeble challenge, I challenge you to add Tesla as one of the ones that you want to think about. You can literally set it $10 a day, take the Weeble challenge, download my link below. At the end of this video, I want everyone to watch the video that's going to appear in the box in your upper right hand corner. I challenge everyone to watch this video because after the Jackson Hole meeting, it's going to prepare you for what could happen and what I think is going to happen again. I think that there'll be a sell-off, and I believe that things are going to happen again, and we may revisit the bottom for those of you that think we've missed the bottom. Oh, I missed the bottom. I missed the bottom. Never chase the bottom. Chase an area where you can make money. All right. So I want you to listen to this commentary from CNBC talking about what may happen tomorrow after the Jackson Hole meeting. OK.
What do you think? Do you feel like, what do you think the best outcome would be for the stock market over the next 48 hours?
It's a good question. Probably 75, or the idea that 75 is coming, but that's it. And from there, things start to really moderate, I should say, and get better.
So 75 in September, you think the market would be fine with that?
I think so. Because don't forget, it's all about the messaging. Right, and that's what we've been getting today from Bostic and George. It's all about the messaging, and it's about the preparation. It's about getting us ready for the news. And this is what Jerome Powell does best, I think, is he prepares us emotionally. He prepares us to receive the news, to digest it comfortably, confidently in advance of the actual number coming out. But I think that what everyone wants as portfolio managers is like, let's just get it over with. Yeah. Let's just be done.
That's it. That's me. And I know that's a lot of you guys. Let's just get it over with. And so I believe that the market has priced some of this in. That's why we had these sell-offs, right? And so if he does say, hey, we're going to do 75 basis points, I believe that the market has priced most of that in. Maybe not all, right? Now, if he says we're going to do two more 75 basis points, for those of you that don't know, that has never happened in the history where the Fed did multiple 75 basis points back to back. It has never happened. So that is very hawkish. But if he says we're going to do 75 basis points and that's it, then the market will absorb that, I believe, and it may close out red, but I don't think it's just going to tank, right? If he says that we see inflation getting, under control and we're going to do 50-50, I believe, or we're going to do 50 and then 25, I believe that that's going to be green for the market. Let's see, because this market, you could give it good news and it turns red and vice versa. So we're going to monitor what the Fed says at the Jackson Hole meeting tomorrow morning, tomorrow, Friday. It goes all day. It's happening right now, but the Fed will speak tomorrow. So I hope that helped to shine a light on Tesla and just the overall market, right? And just remember with crypto, good people, if the market goes down, so goes crypto. If the market runs up, here comes crypto. And so plan accordingly. We are not just looking at a hot stock here or there, here or there. We're looking for our entire portfolios, all of our stock, how we can make money, all right? So now, you guys already know about my links below. Click them both, Moo and Weeble. Get the free stuff. Just deposit a minimum of $100 into each, and we're going to see you tomorrow. Make sure you check out this video. We'll see you tomorrow live in the morning.